feel overwhelmed trying to post consistently across all social media handles? Or have you been finding it difficult to keep all your content ideas in one place and stay organized? Trust me, if you are, I understand how frustrated that feeling can be. I have a solution for you, and this solution is going to help you save tons of stress, time, and money. So without wasting much time, let's dive straight into it. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Prince Emetu, and in this channel we talk about everything finance, how to start a business, and also journey to quitting my 9-to-5, where I have a series that talks about my plans as to how I want to transcend from being a 9-to-5er to becoming a full-time boss. So if you would like to join me in that journey, feel free to follow my series, which I always drop once every month on this channel. So without wasting your time, let's continue to the reason why we are here on this channel today. Now, first off, one of the reasons why you need to stay organized is because organization gives you consistency. Many beginner content creators like myself, we do suffer with consistency issue. I, for one, when I started, it was quite difficult for me to stay consistent. I could not track my post. I find myself doing things I'm not supposed to do on Monday. I will do it on Monday. My schedule is not even consistent. So I struggle with that, and that made me to start thinking towards getting a solution for it. Another problem I encountered was running out of content ideas. Sometimes I do get content ideas while I'm on bed, but most times when I get such ideas, they are very, very, very unique and crazy. Yeah, crazy in a good way. So instead of me to stand up and write it, I feel that laziness of wanting to stand up from my bed to write the ideas. So what I do is I sometimes just relax and assume that okay, maybe later I'll do it, and at the end of the day I forget it. So that also prompted me to thinking towards finding a solution for organization too. Another important thing that made me to start thinking towards that direction was having to manage multiple social media handles. Wow, that's a tough one, because if you are on more than 2 to 3 social media handles, then it's quite difficult for you to manage your posting. Sometimes you are managing text posts, sometimes you are managing video posts, sometimes you are even managing podcasts, depending on what you are doing. So if you are doing all these things, then you would definitely need this solution that I'm going to be giving to you today. So before I give you this unique solution that's going to save you time, stress, and money, I would like to make you understand that while you are starting your journey, it is advisable for you to stick to just 2 to 3 platforms for a start, so that it could help you stay consistent on those platforms and the algorithm can know you. Then from there you can transcend into different or various platforms. So like I said, these things I mentioned were one of the things that reduced my posting rates, that reduced my engagement on my platforms, and prompted me to go into research as to how I could solve most of this problem. And I spoke to a friend of mine who is also a content creator, although he has been in the business longer than I have, I think for about 2-3 years now. Having spoken to him, he proffered 2 solutions, 2 softwares. The first is Notion. Shout out to Notion. Notion is a very nice app, although I've not had this. Take note, this is not a sponsored video. From what he showed me, having shown me the interface, how it works, I think Notion is good enough to be referred to anyone who wants to start content creation that has the funds to do it, because it requires a monthly subscription fee, which I did not have as at that time. That was why I did not go for it. So another one was ClickUp. ClickUp is another platform, almost like Notion, though I feel Notion has more things than ClickUp. But I've not used ClickUp fully though. Even the Notion, I've not used it. He only showed me the interface of the both of them, because he uses the both of them. So having said that, and now since I didn't have funds for either of this, I thought of a way of getting this solution, and guess what? I found it. Yeah, I did. I got a solution that is affordable, easy to use, and free. So, and I'm going to share it with you guys in this video. The solution I found is creating my own content calendar templates, which I'm going to be giving you guys today for free. So without wasting your time, let's dive straight into it so that I can show you how to use this template and also walk you around the interface of this template. So hello guys, before I commence this part, if you are gaining any value from this video, please endeavor to like, share, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because that's the only way you could tell the YouTube algorithm that this video is a good video and people like you and I are willing to watch this video. So without wasting your time, let's go into it. So as you can see, this is a copy of the template. The first thing you see is Prince Emetu. That is the okay, like for you now, since you are the one preparing this content calendar for yourself, this section will take your name, the name of your channel or the name of your brand. For me, it's Prince Emetu. So Prince Emetu's content calendar for 2025. So we are in March. That's why I started in March. But for that one that you have, it starts from the top, which is January. So you can find your way through March. Also, the next thing is the month. Then we have the days of the week, which is Sunday to Saturday. Then we have the dates of each of the days, and then we also have this section which is for the platform that you are making that content in. It's either YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, or Instagram, or none, especially when maybe you are doing a video shoot or you're doing research. So this will be left to none. Then long form, you have long form content, you have short form content, you have text or image, then we have video shoots. This determines the kind of content you want to put. Then here, this particular section here is used to put the tasks that you want to achieve. So let's assume I'm going to use this for time's sake. So let's say I put, this is the topic. So having pasted that, so let's assume I'm doing this video for YouTube, right? You can select multiple platforms if you are managing multiple platforms. So for now, I'm not posting on Facebook for now. So I'm doing YouTube alone. Then having done that, you can close. Then it's going to be a long form content. So, and since it's still in the pipeline, let me use the word, it's going to still be under drafted. So these are the features. The drafted, under drafted, it could be drafted, it could be scheduled, it could be published, depending on the status of what you have done. If you have finished scripting and maybe you have scheduled the post, you can tag it as schedule. You can put the status as schedule. When it gets published, you can change it to published. So if you have any questions about this, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I'm going to definitely tell you, answer your questions. And until then, to get this, don't forget, just comment on this comment box, content calendar template, and I will definitely drop you the link where you're going to download this template from. So you have different days and different actions to take. So having said this, I think this is enough explainer, and let's get back into the video. So guys, if you like to have this template, like I said, I'm going to be giving you guys for free. Please hop onto the comment section and type content calendar template, and I will definitely reply to your comment and send you a link where you can download this template. Also, I have a free membership community whereby we interact and also provide solutions and plans on how to quit your 9-to-5 businesses you could do, side hustle you could do. Those are the things that we talk about in the platform. So if you are one who is getting prepared, or who is tired of his 9-to-5 job and wants to transcend into being a boss of his own but don't know how to go about it, then I believe you would like to join the platform. Hop onto the description and you're going to see the WhatsApp platform and click the link to join. So having said this, I feel I've spoken much, right? Okay, I don't want this video to be too lengthy. So let me just give you the benefit of using this template. Now, one of the benefits that it saves you time. Like I said, it saves you time and it gives you good organizational structure because there are different platforms, there are different reasons why you need to have this template. So another thing is that it ensures consistency for you across all platforms and it keeps your schedule all in one place. So another important thing that this thing does is that it helps you align your posts for business goals. When I mean business goals, I'm talking about if you want to collaborate with a brand, it helps you keep track of, okay, this is what I want to talk about for a brand, and I need to post like 4 weeks consistently for the brand based on the agreement you had with the brand. You understand? So if this content calendar templates will help you put those plans, put your topics, plan out your schedule. How do you want to do it? Do you want it to be scripting all along and batch shooting, or you do it weekly? You understand, depending on how much time you have. Having said this, guys, once again I'm going to tell you we have a membership community. If you want to join it, feel free to go to the description box, and also the content calendar template is also in the description box, so feel free to go there and click on it. If you are thinking of a business to start with little capital that are very unique, I have a video up here that talks about 5 unique business ideas that you can start in 2025. Do watch it. Until next time, always remember, Quitters Wins Club is there for you. 9-to-5er that want to quit your 9-to-5 job and become a boss. So that's the name of our membership. So until next time, bye. Remember, we always start now.